Hello friends, welcome back to Chirta Funda channel. I hope you're having a good day. Today, let me take you to Falls Creek and Yaletown of Vancouver. Falls Creek definitely has a gorgeous view and the atmosphere here is pretty exciting. No wonder it gets attention for filmmaking like Fantastic Four and TV shows like Smallville, The Flash and MacGyver. Do you still remember those? If you guys wondering about the housing here, condo prices here start from $1.5 million to $10 million and above. As far as renting, one bedroom is $2,100 and two bedroom is $2,800. We'll definitely see some of these places today from the outside. And for my new friends, I'm Funda. Thank you for joining me and I hope you guys subscribe. Give a thumbs up and leave your comments below so I'll know you're here. It means a lot if you do. If you live in Vancouver, next time you're unsure about what to do, you can come here and stroll. And for friends around the world, if you happen to visit Vancouver from downtown, you can catch the SkyTrain from Waterfront Station. Take a few minutes ride and we'll take you to Main Street or Science World Station. Walk down the stairs, cross the street where you see the Science World. Honestly, it's worth visiting. Falls Creek is gorgeously surrounded by popular sites, a seawall, marinas, parks, restaurants, and modern housing. Let's check it out with me. Do you know that this particular creek is not a creek? That is why it's named Falls Creek. It's actually an inlet located along the southern edge of downtown Vancouver. For over 100 years, Falls Creek was an industrial area. In just the past 50 years or so, it was transformed into this very nice neighborhood. What can be more exciting than this? It makes Vancouver City more environmentally sound, fun, and more beautiful. A lot of people come here for paddling, canoeing, and kayaking. You can rent a kayak, $25 for single and $50 for tandem. Others come to charter boats and ships. There are two ferry companies like Aquabus and Falls Creek Ferries. They operate daily from multiple points along Falls Creek, Yaletown, and Granville Island. Here is a good idea. I'll tell you what, you can purchase a day pass on the Falls Creek Ferry to enjoy full experience by getting on and off at many of the stops. That way, you can get the sense of the whole area here while you're here. I usually walk along the seawall, which has designated paths for cyclists and pedestrians. That means you can walk at your pace to see many great viewpoints. Of course, to take pictures with mountain views in the background, as well as interesting places as you can see here. The first building is Science World. It's a science center that was opened in 1989. Adult ticket is $28 and children is $19. It has OmniMax Theater. The next building is BC Place Stadium. It is the home venue for the Vancouver Whitecaps soccer team and BC Lions football team. It was built for the Expo 86 World's Fair. The stadium also hosts concerts and other major events such as 2010 Olympics. Literally 5-minute walk from the stadium is Rogers Arena, the home of the Vancouver Canucks, which is our famous hockey team. Each year, a number of festivals take place here, such as Latin American festivals, fireworks and New Year concert, Dragon Boat Festival, and jazz music festivals. If you feel tired, you can sit on a bench to relax and enjoy the sun or visit the community garden. When you get hungry or thirsty, there is a lot of shops, bars, coffee shops around the area and it's all convenient. So in this Falls Creek, that is the area they call it Yaletown. It is a stylish high-end neighborhood since late 80s. On the waterfront side, there is David Lamb Park with expansive area for picnics, playground, tennis, and basketball courts, among other facilities. The other park is Cooper's Park. It has an off-leash area if you bring your dogs with you. So I think we just spent about 2.5 hours walking around here. If you have the energy, you can continue walking or cycling along the creek from here to Chinatown, Kitsilano, and Stanley Park. I have uploaded 2 videos for the Stanley Park. You can check it out. Alright, there you have it. Please hit the notification bell and give a like for encouragement. See you on my next video and have a happy day.